Hey guys! Today we're unboxing a super compact yet powerful flashlight, the Sofirn ST10 Clip-on Mini Flashlight. This little gadget promises 1000 lumens of brightness, multiple lighting modes, and hands-free convenience. Perfect for fishing, night walks, or even reading. Let's check it out. The packaging looks neat and minimal. Inside, we have the flashlight itself, a rechargeable 14500 battery, a USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. Everything is compact, just like the flashlight. Everything fits snugly, and the accessories are exactly what you need to get started. The ST10 is tiny, only 7 centimeters long, lightweight at 49 grams without the battery, but feels solid in hand. It's made from aerospace-grade aluminum, IP66 water-resistant, and can survive a 1-meter drop, so it's tough enough for outdoor adventures. Check this out, it has a magnetic tail, so you can stick it on metal surfaces, and a clip to attach it to hats, backpacks, or fences for hands-free use. Super convenient. It's a 3-in-1 light setup. Main beam, 1000 lumens with 6 brightness levels for long-distance use. Side white light, for levels for close-up tasks. Red light, preserves night vision, perfect for fishing or camping. Operating it is simple, 2 separate buttons, one for the main beam and one for the side lights. Quick, intuitive, no confusion. It comes with a rechargeable 14500 battery and a built-in USB-C charging port with an indicator light. Low on power? No problem, you can swap in regular AA batteries. This makes it really versatile for travel or emergencies. So to recap, the Sofirn ST10 is ultra compact and lightweight. Super bright 1000 lumen main beam. 3-in-1 light setup with side and red lights. Hands-free with clip and magnetic tail. Rechargeable and AA battery compatible. Tough and water resistant. Honestly, this is a must-have for outdoors and everyday carry. If you found this unboxing helpful and want to see a full review of how bright it is in real-life situations, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.